Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash school bags. Before you even think about the washing machine, take a moment to assess your bag. First, locate the care label. It's your best guide for specific washing instructions. Next, completely empty all pockets and remove any detachable accessories. Finally, give your bag a thorough inspection for any damage like rips or broken zippers that should be fixed beforehand to prevent further issues during the wash. Once your bag is empty and inspected, it's time for some pre-treatment. Tackle any noticeable stains by gently scrubbing them with a mild detergent and a soft brush. For more stubborn dirt, a short soak in lukewarm water with a gentle soap can work wonders. To safeguard your bag during the machine wash, always place it inside a large mesh laundry bag or even a sturdy pillowcase. This prevents straps from tangling and protects zippers. Now for the washing machine itself. Always opt for a gentle or delicate cycle to protect the bag's structure and materials. Cold water is your best friend here, as it helps prevent color fading and potential shrinkage. Use only a small amount of mild, liquid laundry detergent. Harsh chemicals or bleach can damage the fabric. If your bag is particularly dirty, an extra rinse cycle can be beneficial to ensure all detergent residue is completely washed away. After the wash, proper drying is crucial. Always air dry your school bag. Hang it upside down or lay it flat in a well-ventilated spot. Resist the urge to use a machine dryer, as the high heat can cause irreversible damage to the fabric, zippers, and any plastic components. It might take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for the bag to dry completely, so be patient. Once dry, reattach any removed parts and ensure everything is in perfect working order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.